a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, heated seats, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, security alarm, compass, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.